Okay, if you did the practice on graphing, basically what we're doing now is just taking the price per apple and the quantity demanded table, so that schedule. And what I've done down here is I've filled in the prices on the graph. So again, remember the price is going to be up here on the, this is the y-axis or the price axis. Quantity is going to go down on the x-axis. And I've went ahead and filled in the different prices so you can see, that's what I'm trying to show you right here is I filled in the prices, and so $2 is equivalent to that line on the graphing, $1.75 is equivalent to that line, and then 1 pound of apples or 1 apple would be equivalent to this line on the graph, and 2 on this line, and so on and so forth. I kind of already went through, and as you can see, I plotted out the points. So here 25 cents per apple, you're going to buy 10 apples per week. So I plotted that point right there for you. At 5 or 50 cents per apple, you're going to buy 7 a week. So I plotted that point. My points weren't very good, but did the best I could. At 75 cents per apple, you can see here you're going to buy 4 apples. So I plotted that point. And then that, and that, and that. And then simply constructing the demand curve then is just a function of connecting those dots so that it looks like something like this. Okay. And really that's as simple as graphing in economics becomes. It's plotting out the points and connecting the dots and drawing the line. The last problem, on here, thought there was another question on here, but it's evidently not coming through on my little sheet, and now I just really messed stuff up. So try not to pay attention to that. I gotta go to the other slide. Here we go. What type of relationship exists between the price of apples and the quantity demanded of apples? Remember what we were talking about the other day, or what I was talking about on the video that hopefully you just watched. Relationship is either going to be negative or it's going to be positive. And what we're looking at, especially here, we're looking at price and quantity. And so if you noticed, when the price of apples was going up, we were purchasing fewer apples, right? So that would be indicative of a negative relationship. And so that's the answer to that question. If it was positive, the price went up, then quantity would also go up. But most of us, when we see a price of apples increasing, are not going to buy more apples. So demand and supply, it becomes really important to understand that concept of positive and negative relationship, and becomes really important to understand how to read graphs. So if you have questions, email me. I'll try to come up with some other practice assignments for you to work on to kind of figure out where you're having troubles with. Thank you.